Who's that?
Levi.
Is that Tiny?
Yeah. Tiny brother.
Are you playing with him? Careful, don't squish him. Don't squish him. Oh, jeez. Careful, you're squishing him. Levi, you need to learn to fight back. Careful, don't hit his head. Did you get your brother? Did you get your brother? Is he going to bite your finger? Does he bite your finger? Don't
shove it down him.
Don't choke him. Oh. No, don't pick him up. Oh, careful. Careful.
Careful, Elliot.
I'm gonna shine.
Oh. Wow. You're hardcore. Are you playing with Levi?
Oh, ow, Elliot.
Don't bonk his head. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss on the forehead. Make it better. Oh, thank you. Are you rolling him?
Careful with him, Elliot.
Careful, don't hurt him. Careful, don't hurt him. We alive? It's amazing you're still alive. Nothing short of amazing.
Oh, dear.
Elliot, you squished. Laughed at that. Right. Elliot, careful, you're gonna squish him. Don't squish him.
No, Elliot, no. You do not do that. You be very nice to him. You need to be careful. Elliot, you're squishing his legs.
Are you tickling him? He's laughing. You're tickling him. Oh, careful. Don't do the cross-face crippler. Not yet. You're not ready for that. But Dad can teach you. He did it to Raw all the time when he was young.
Careful, Elliot.
No, don't pick him up.